Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miata, and today we'll open up this fashion pack that I got a while back when it first came out from Mattel Creations, a fashion designer. I think her name is Aleali May. It was a limited exclusive wardrobe. Yeah, this is how it looks. It came out in December 2021. It's very cute. You got a little drawer. This is the outside. A Barbie bottom. Yep, 2021. Okay, so we have our model right here from the Neutral You Create kit, and she will be our model for today. Maybe, I don't know. I didn't put her hair back on yet, but this is the face that we're going to be using. This gorgeous face right here. Okay, let's undress her. Bam. Take all the little pieces off. Oh, I retatted the shoulder. Got it. Okay, we're gonna undress her off camera so y'all don't see her goodies. And once again, so sticky right there. Oops, sorry. See, left a little residue. Sticky tape. Let's do this. Get her undressed. Scoot this to the side and let's open this with a chair. Whoop. Put it all the way out. Let's start taking it out. I want to take it because I want to be able to put it back. Bam. There we go. Look at that. So we got a green bodysuit and some green cargo pants in this section. Be careful. Oh look, you got a little cargo pocket with an A on it. I love that. Should have had a B for me. Or M. Cutting it close, y'all. Do we want to put it back on? Pants. Get the top off. Oh, y'all, make sure y'all be careful. If y'all got it, we'll purchase this. Yeah. Oh, it Velcro so we can get out. Oh, we gotta take this off because there's it, so I think she should be good. I don't want to cut it off. I might want to put it back. Oh, look, the Barbie logo right there. I didn't even notice. Don't mind my dangerous cutting. So it looks. It's cute. Here she is. This was a little bit of a stretch. So I don't know if this was made for her. Tight. Okay. It's stuck. Here we go. Other side. Down. There we go. That's how it look on her. It's cute. I like it. It's gorgeous. Velcro. Is it broken? Oh yeah. This suit was not made for her. No butt cheeks. Let's put her head on. There she go. Oh, let's move this out the way. We'll drop it. Bam. Here she is. Look at her. Model. Let's put her in the chair real quick. Let's put her pants on first. Get a little tag. It says 305 1NJ. Oh, she had A on both pockets. Cute. Let's put on our homegirl. The top rake. Gotta be gentle. You might have to sew that back. Ooh, she look good. It don't matter. My homegirl look good. Sorry. Okay, that's good. Okay. Looking good, girl. Look at her. Got put her shoes on. I'm gonna have to sew that back. So let's put her in the chair and get the other ones up. Oh, it pulls out nice and easy. And that's the A on the shirt. The green, we have boots, some white heels, some green glasses, and our drawer to put our stuff in. I know it works. This stuff, that tape. I should have my X-Acto knife. That part would have been better. Doing better right now. So you gotta do what it do. This was better tape down than the other one. And holes in the shirt. Sorry, y'all. Don't cut the shirt. The white tee. Nope, the shirt is velcroed in the back. Take that off. Take it off. Here we go. Oh, this is gorgeous. A long white tee. Velcro in the back. Oh, it could be a dress. But it's a tee to me. Let's hang it up. Oops, I'm failed. Unvelcroed in there. Put it to the side. Let's get the shoes out. Yes, it's filled. Nope. Everything's falling. Oh, the shoes are like fabric. Oh, yeah. So we like the white ones. Ooh, let's try her on the white one. Sorry, my lady. Yeah, I don't think these shoes was made for her. It could have been they was in a box for too long, but I don't know. Don't worry about that. Oh, okay, we got it. And we don't. Yeah, let's not do that. She's not the body type. But here is these ones. I'll try these ones on her. Oops, she's falling off the chair. Yeah, she can wear these ones. So we gotta come up. Ooh, look at that. Put mama socks on this one. Peace out. Mm-mm-mm. We gotta put it over. Ooh, put a pin over the boot. Let's sit her down. I don't wanna hurt my lady. Boot. I mean, it's gonna come down regardless, but we're trying to make it not come down. Pretty wide enough you can do without coming down, but do the best you can. Oh, here we go. We got it. We got it. The boots. Little piece hanging out. Let's get our glasses and put them up here like that. Bam. Or have them on. You know, let's just keep them at the top of her head. Well, for now, let's take our pants off and let's put on the white tee. White tee. Let's put her in the white tee. Put her boots back on. Come on. Open up. Okay. Gorgeous. They're gorgeous. Oh, thought I lost the glasses. Guess you can't do this camera. She's too tall. She just a tall lady. She just a tall lady. Here we go. Back on our rack. And let's start from the bottom. Thank God for the Velcro. And my white tee. She got the white tee. Turn your head, lady. Let's turn your head, lady. Getting stuck. Don't get stuck. Whoop. Lost the earring somewhere. Maybe you should take that green thing off, but she fine. She's cute in her little outfit. I should have brought the doll stand. Stand her up. I'll soup her back. Chill. Get your big one. Bam. And my white tee. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all later.